friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing miniature cars. First we'll take Nano. It is in yellow color. Let's put it aside. Next we'll take i10, Hyundai i10. It is in black color. Let's put it aside and take the next one. This is Volkswagen Polo and this is in yellow color. Let's put it aside and take the next car. This is the red color Desire. Let's put it aside. And next take Brezza. This is in blue and white color. Let's put it aside. And next take Creta 1.6. This is in red color. Let's put it aside. And Toyota Innova Crystal in red color. Let's put it aside. And then take my favorite Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. Let's put it aside. And now let's open all the cars. First we'll start with Nano. You can see it. I opened it now. And it looks so small. So small and little. Let's put the covers in the side and let's open Volkswagen Polo. Let's open. Let's open from this side. Let's open from this side. Hello friends, welcome back. I finally unboxed everything. Okay, you can see this. First we'll take Nano. It is from Tata Motor. Its engine power is 624cc engine and power is 37 bhp and torque is 51 Nm. Let's keep it aside and take i10. This is from Hyundai Motors. Its engine power is 1197cc and its power is 81 bhp and 114 torque. Let's keep it aside and take Volkswagen Polo. This is Polo. It is from Volkswagen and its engine's power is 999cc and power is 71 bhp and torque is 51 Nm. And let's take Swift Desire. It is from Maruti Suzuki and its engine's power is 1197cc engine and 88 bhp and 113 Nm. Let's keep it aside and take Brezza. Brezza is from Maruti and has 1462cc engine and 103 bhp and it has 138 torque. Let's keep it aside and take Creta. It is from Hyundai Motors and its power is 1353cc engine and 138 bhp and its torque is 240 Nm. Let's keep it aside and take Toyota Innova Crystal. It is from Toyota company. It is 393cc engine and its power is 140 bhp and 360 Nm. Let's keep it aside and take Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. G-Wagon is from Mercedes-Benz and its 3982cc engine, and its HP is 576 bhp, and its torque is 850 Nm. Let's keep it aside. And my old one is Maruti Suzuki Baleno, and its engine is 1197 cc engine and 81 bhp engine, 113 torque engine. Let's keep it aside and take my old EcoSport. It is from Ford. Its engine is 1498 cc engine and has 99 bhp and it's 15 torque. Let's keep it aside, and I put again them in a line. This is i10, this is Nano, this is i10, this is Volkswagen Polo, and this is Swift Desire, and this is Brezza, and this is Creta, and there is Innova, and there is G-Wagon, and there is Baleno, and there is EcoSport. Bye friends. Just like and share, subscribe my channel. Bye.